What's going on, everyone? Got a 2021 Toyota Highlander key fob here. This is the hybrid. You can tell by the little key fob with the blue on it. And I'm going to show you how to open it up to replace the battery. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the emergency key out of the remote. So we flip it over like this. Slide this button over to the right. Hold it with your thumb, and then you can pull out the emergency key. This emergency key won't start the car, but it will open the driver's door. That's what it's for. Now that we have that out, there's two slots. There's one that the emergency key came out of right here, and there's another slot right here that's vertical. This is the slot we're going to use with a small flathead screwdriver to pop this guy open. All right. Now when you do this, you want the buttons facing down. Put it in here and then just give it a twist, okay? And it cracks it open like that. Effortless, won't damage the remote. But go ahead and take that back cover off. You notice how this all comes apart. Everything comes apart in this remote. That's why we want the buttons down, because the buttons can't fall out if you did it the other way, okay? So we're gonna hold it like this. There's a little slot here. Use our little flathead screwdriver and pry the battery out. As soon as I get it out, I'll show you what size it is. Battery size is a CR2032 battery, positive sign facing out towards us. When you get your new battery, you slide it into the top first, like this. Lock it in like that. Now if you need a battery, check the description box below. I'll have the correct size battery. It takes you to Amazon where you can pick up a battery. They're very, very cheap there. You normally get them like in a day. But when we go to put this remote back together, we start at the top and work our way down like that. Click it down, make sure there's no gaps on the sides, and you're doing good. Emergency key goes back into locks. You're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you hit that like button for me or leave me a comment if you could. And hope to see you again in another Toyota video.